everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be back with Mark. You guys know him of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and we are in one of their 2 model homes available here in Reflections at Seabrook. And Mark is going to show us this amazing Ellaville that everyone loves, because guess what? There's only a few opportunities left to get it. So thanks for having us, Mark.
Thank you for coming out. We're down to only 3 Ellavilles left in Nocatee in Reflections at Seabrook. We're going to take a look at the award-winning Ellaville. It's been an incredible plan for us over the last 6-7 years. So it's a 5-bed, 4.5 bath, over 3,100 square foot, with just surprises around every corner. So we're going to come into what we call the gallery area. It's a very stunning entry feature. If we go down to the floor, very custom, call it basket weave pattern, but it's a very inviting, warm, open area to greet your guests and to show off some artwork and transition into the, the main part of the house.
And one of the reasons this floor plan has been so popular is because of what Carling is showing here. So many people are either working from home, or even if you're homeschooling your kid, this is a giant, giant secondary room.
Yeah, it's been used as a first floor bonus room, a work from home office, a billiard room. I mean, you can just imagine with this much space, you can use it for just about anything, but predominantly people working from home, it gives them all the space they need.
And on camera, it's really not just showing how spacious it is, but I promise you guys, when you see this Ellaville floor plan, you're going to say, okay, I've got my home office totally knocked out, situated. We're done.
Very private, yeah.
Very private, and they have the beautiful barn doors. And then guess what, guys? There's even more.
There's more. So it's kind of a 4-way split. So when you talk about layout, bedroom placement, there's different halls. So in the front area here, we have a little hallway, and it transitions into 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath, and it's well appointed. You've got dual vanities, lavish upgrades on all of the flooring, cabinets and countertops. And then we'll go right into another bedroom just to the right here.
And so I'm going to reiterate that all the living is on this first floor. This is really a 1-story home with an amazing bonus on the 2nd floor, which of course can be another bedroom. But when you see the amount of space and rooms on the first floor, I'm excited to see what all the buyers will be doing upstairs. And now we're going across. So many people talk about their, my parents are living with us, or my son, daughter is coming back from college, giving them their private space. This is basically like your own suite.
Yeah, so one of the 4 wings is this guest suite area. It transitions from a mudroom, you've got a hall bath, and then a little guest suite that sits all by itself. So for company or guests that really can't go up and down stairs, it's a perfect first floor guest suite.
And then more storage in this space too. But just this giant area right here, I mean, there's so much you can do with it. You guys put a built-in here in your model, but there's so much you can do. And if you did have an older family member living with you, this could actually have plenty of room for a beautiful ottoman, a circle one right here in the middle, which helps them putting their shoes on, doing things. And then you can use this space differently. So absolutely love the Ellaville floor plan. And to remind people, this is available as a quick move-in home only in Reflections at Seabrook. And if you go to the quick move-in page on Nocatee.com, you'll be able to see this particular floor plan. You can also see it hitting the neighborhood tab, scrolling down to Reflections, and clicking on Providence Homes, and you'll get to see the Ellaville floor plan, and only 3 opportunities left.
3. You're right. So it's a finite resource, guys. We have 3 of them in the ground. They're in the finishing stages. They are ready to go for a summertime move or a springtime move. So great opportunity to snag one of the last 3 of the Ellaville with bonus room. Here we're looking at just an absolutely stunning kitchen. The feedback on this kitchen has been incredible. It's the executive chef kitchen, featuring GE Cafe upgraded appliances, high-end quartz. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. But as we pan around, you can see the width, Heather. You talk about space, and when family's over and you're trying to move, I mean, this kitchen, go in there and just spread your arms apart.
Oh,
I mean,
he loves that.
We like this angle. I mean, come on.
But I mean, just showing, you could be way over here, plenty of space there. But also, I just want to point out, thank you putting the deep drawers. So for your big pots. So I love showing that. And again, look at over here, the beautiful farm sink. And the thing about Providence Homes, and I love to just tell people, guess what, guys? On their quick move-ins, they're not just putting standard features. You guys have been upgrading because you want everyone to go, I'm so happy, I'm keeping everything as is.
Yeah, and another wow point we put in our quick move-ins is the beverage center option. You can see it here as we pan around, but it's a perfect separate little beverage chiller, coffee bar, use it as you wish. And then just to the right, a home of this scale has an incredible walk-in pantry. All the inventory homes we have these wood shelves, so a very finished look, and plenty of storage in the pantry itself.
And I just noticed in this model home, look at the thickness of this quartz countertop. Just beautiful.
So this is a mitered edge.
Because guess what, guys? This model home will eventually be someone's also.
True.
I want to point that out. And then, of course, you've got these. Wait, I know how these work.
There you go.
Yeah, the
little
plugs.
Fun charger.
Love those. But just so much countertop
And one more
space.
hidden little thing, which I think carries a lot of weight.
Beautiful.
When you run out of places to put all the dishes, the seasonal items, the blenders, the toasters, what have you, you've got a row of cabinets around the whole island here on this side here.
Love that. And then look again, open floor plan, great seating area. But now we're going into the primary bedroom. So you're basically on one side of the house completely by yourself in the back. So we're in the one side, the very back. Love it. Beautiful view of your beautiful backyard.
Yeah, it's tons of natural light in this bedroom. We got large windows, incredible trim detail. We're showcasing our Serenity Spa bath, which you'll find in some of the quick move-ins that we have available. Separate tub, separate shower, the freestanding tub, plenty of cabinet space as well.
And I like that you just said that because guess what, guys? All three quick move-ins have unique features to each of them. So definitely when you call Mark and say, I want to check out this particular Ellaville floor plan, he'll be able to kind of show you, well, what are the differences between those?
Sure. Slight color variations. The floor plan tends to be pretty similar. Actually the same with the powder bath and extras that we've added here, the bonus room, but bathrooms can vary a little bit, but if your color palette's one way or the other, you've got really good choice between the three.
And we've come from the primary bathroom to the amazing closet to the laundry room. And yes, my favorite place. This Ellaville laundry room has truly always been one of my favorites. Carling, I'm going to actually open the door just because this space is huge. And it was Providence Homes many years ago here in Nocatee that brought us the first floor plan that did this exact thing. And I'll never forget it. It was such smart build, great design. But I love that you can just flow through the house. And what's great is that laundry room being where it's located, if you're entertaining and have a caterer, you can throw the extra stuff in that space. I'm also calling it storage.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I'm always thinking of entertaining, Mark.
Lots of cabinets and lots of storage. As we pan around the open cafe concept, again, kitchen, dining, family space, a really awesome layout in here. If you did entertain per se, you're not going to run out of space in this house. On the back here, we have a powder bath or a pool bath, so it connects to the backyard. If you guys do add a pool on one of these gorgeous homes, super convenient. You've got that pool bath right where you need it.
So all the lots available with the three Ellaville quick move-ins have the option, meaning the space.
They do have the space. So
if you want to put in a pool. But guess what, guys? You don't have to. And I just want to keep reminding everybody, you don't have to put a pool in your backyard. You could have this amazing space, but you can do pavers, you can do a fire pit, you can do a seated area. There's so much you can do because you, being in Reflections at Seabrook, are literally steps away, a bike ride away from Seabrook Park. You can see the video we did of Seabrook Park on Nocatee.com, and that is over a 7,000 square foot pool with sun shelves and magnificent kids playground, large dog park, small dog park. So don't do the maintenance of a pool in your backyard.
It's your
do
option.
all of this.
You could always do a
and
pool.
go to Seabrook Park, go to Crosswater Park, go to the Splashwater Park. And I want to mention something, guys. Why buy in Reflections at Seabrook? I'm going to tell you, because Reflections at Seabrook will be the third closest single-family community to the amenity complex, to the events, to the water parks, coming visit us at the Welcome Center. And what I mean by that is they are finishing off the over 30 miles of interconnected fitness trails, and it's going to end here at Reflections. It's going to cut through near the amenity complex, and you will go over beautiful boardwalks leading to your home in Reflections. So Mark, I know you're excited for that to open up.
Yeah, I think we've gotten great feedback. People are very excited to be able to take a golf cart ride, a bike ride, or even walk through the new Greenway Trail to get to the amenity center, town center. It's going to be a huge convenience.
Absolutely. And now we're upstairs in that bonus space. Again, it could be a bedroom, this could be a game room, it could be a kids play area, another office. I mean, it's endless what this space can be, but by having a full bath, and then Carling's just showing great storage, great space. I think the bonus on the Ellaville was a nice touch that y'all
Definitely.
offered.
You always need that one more space, and this little piece gives it to you. So whether it's the guest room, whether it's the TV lounge for the kiddos, the teenager hangout, whatever you want it to be, it's perfectly placed.
And
so
it's quiet, by the way.
yeah, so outside of the award-winning floor plans at Providence, we always have you covered behind the walls, certified Energy Star, spray foam in the attic, and indoor air plus. So you have all those advantages to enjoy the comfort, the efficiency, the quietness. So a well-built home on top of absolutely drop-dead gorgeous.
All right, that's why Providence Homes by Bill Seller is award-winning and a part of the Nocatee family. So thanks for watching Walkthrough Wednesday. Call Mark today because 3 opportunities left and the model. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.